head off all day. Give me some food.
No!
Why not?
I just made your dinner like 5 minutes ago.
But it was a very unsatisfyingly small portion.
Okay, first of all, I made you a kibble mignon covered in bacon strips. You should be thankful for that meal of love. And second, you are fat. I'm trying to save you from dying from gluttony.
How's about you have some puppies and try keeping your figure?
Ginger, you were underweight after every litter. Every time your heart beat, you would flinch. You did this to yourself.
Hey, you're the one who puts the food in my bowl! You're the one who porks me up!
No, I'm the one who's been giving you healthy portions. You're the one who's been eating Max's food every day for like a few months. I mean, just look at that dog. Just look at him.
It's true. She ate my breakfast this morning.
What was that?
I mean, there's some greens I had. Yeah.
See, he's fine. Now give me something.
Why do we keep having this conversation?
Because you're slowly going insane.
I'm going back to my dishes, okay?
Hey, just look at me for a minute. Look at this face and tell me you don't want to give me anything.
Ginger, whenever I look into those perplexing eyes of yours, I'm struck with a sensation that is beyond all comprehension. But it's not enough for me to give you any more food.
Give me something to eat! Allow me to stay!
Cheese! Ginger, the final dog!
Yeah, that's it. Rub my belly. Rub my belly. Yeah. Yeah.